If you're planning a vacation or a trip during the holidays, there might be one step you're missing. A new study found more than 80% of travelers are not covered if something goes wrong on that trip.
Gotta listen to News Channel 5 Sabira Rayford's story. She spoke with a local man who says planning ahead saved him big time.
For Steve Landau, it was the perfect vacation.
We went up the east coast of Africa for an 18-day cruise.
But a few days in, his dream vacation turned into a nightmare.
Because along the way, we found out our son developed cancer.
Steve's main concern quickly turned into getting his family back home. He says his trip insurance helped him do that without losing thousands of dollars.
Well, when you spend a lot of money on a vacation, then God forbid something happens. You want to be able to recoup all that money you laid out.
But Mary Hurley Lane, who's worked as a travel agent for more than 40 years, says stories like Steve's aren't all that uncommon. But she says many people don't buy trip insurance.
You know, you get so wrapped up in planning a happy event, a vacation, that, you know, you have to take a minute and cover yourself.
Mary says personal health insurance will not work while traveling out of the country, so she recommends taking out trip insurance, which will cover medical costs while traveling abroad.
So if you're not insured, then you risk losing the money that you've put into the vacation. It's usually well worth the investment.
As for how much this will cost you, well, the travel agent I spoke with says travel insurance typically costs between 5 to 7% of the trip. Sabira Rayford, WPTV News Channel 5.